Hello, my name's Asher and welcome to Kidzone At Home. Today we're going to be making pond rescue. The question is, who are you rescuing?
Do you want to do that again?
Alright, we're going to start with the design stage. This part's really important. So we're going to imagine the plate shape there. I'm going to start with a spider's web. So maybe think about what could be saved from a spider's web. Doesn't have to be super neat in your design stage at all. It's just about giving an idea. Maybe there could be a lovely little bug. Maybe it could be something a bit meaner looking, like an imaginary sort of wasp. Maybe it could be a little ant. Another idea, and this time I'm thinking maybe like a mouth. And you can think what you're going to be rescuing from the mouth. Be like food or whatever you might need to rescue, or it could be at a dentist and you've got to fish things out of the teeth. Maybe you want to have a carrot in there. Maybe you want to help the carrot. Or maybe you want to fish out something that's a bit less healthy, like a lollipop. Maybe it doesn't have to be food. Another idea might be a kind of pond. So let's draw a circle again. You can have a little bit of ground here. And this could be the water. A little bit of ground there. This is going to be either a puddle or a pond. And what sort of things might you imagine get stuck in the pond? Maybe a little caterpillar. Again, maybe it's an insect. And you could be saving these from the pond. I'm going to choose to do the pond idea because I think that's really lovely to save things from the pond. I'm going to start by drawing where I can imagine the land to be. And I'm going to have the land on the either side of the plate. This part's going to be the water to rescue the bugs from. Because these are watercolours, you're going to need a bit of water on them. Let's mix this beautiful blue colour and start applying a wash where the water's going to be. You can also put water straight onto the plate, grab the paint and move it around. Don't worry about going across the lines because it doesn't need to be neat. In nature, nothing is neat. What you can see on mine is there's quite a lot of water there, but this is actually a problem. So you can dab the areas with tissue, give an interesting texture and completely overdo it.
I think the trick is to not put too much water on to start with.
So I actually soaked up quite a lot of water there because I put too much on it. But that doesn't matter because it's left these beautiful little textures there. So I'm really going to make sure my brush is dry this time.
Anyway, you've done it now, haven't you?
Now I'm going to do the land. I'm sure your design is going to be much more careful than mine is. But we're going to go with it. And now we're going to put this to one side to dry while we concentrate on the creatures that we're going to rescue from it. Next we're going to grab our piece of paper and our pencil ready to draw our bugs. We're also going to want some colours so we can colour them in. Let's have a think about what kind of bugs we want to rescue. Something gorgeous with wings and curly antennae. They don't have to be real life bugs, they can be imaginary bugs. Even scary bugs want rescuing from the water. Maybe a nice bumblebee thing. Okay, let's start to colour them in. And once you've drawn your beautiful little bug things, let's start to cut them out. And let's cut the biggest bits of paper off first. And then we can save the detailed cutting for in a few minutes. I'm going to leave a little border around my bug. That way when it comes to doing the bits like the antennae, then they're nice and safe from being cut off. You may want to get someone to help you, and that's absolutely fine. But we also want to cut ourselves so we can get better. There's one little bug. Maybe you can hear our cat coming in.
That's gorgeous. Minnie!
As you can see, our cat is in front of the camera. And there we have some gorgeous cut out bugs. For this bit, we're going to need some little bits of tape. So cut little strips like that, because they're going to go on the back of the bugs. We're going to need 4. For the next part, we're going to need paper clips. You'll see there are 4 for each of the bugs, and 1 extra, which we're going to put to one side for the stick. For each of the paper clips, we're going to take that centre bit and lift it up, so you have a shape like that, because that's where the bug's going to sit, on there like that. So let's prepare each paper clip. Then you're going to take the bug and put them on top of the smaller part of the paper clip, like that. And then you're going to turn them over, and you'll see it's on the back. Get your piece of tape and tape them together like that. Now you've got your lovely bugs finished and put on their paper clips, you're just going to push them to one side and get your stick and a piece of string. So take the string and tie it around the end. There we go. Next, we're going to take that paper clip that we put to one side, and in a similar way to what we did with the bugs, we're going to open it, except we're going to go all the way, like that. Then we're going to take the string and tie it to the smaller side of the paper clip, like that. Then you're going to cut off the excess bits, like that, and like that. And this is what we're going to use to help our bug friends out of the pond. Finally, we're going to take our pond and we're going to be really mean and start putting our bug friends into there. Sorry, bug friends. Now they need help. We're going to start getting our little friends out of the pond. So we're going to take our little device that we made earlier and use that clip to pull them out. Maybe I need some help to get my friends out of the pond. Can anyone help me?
Yeah, me. I'm here.
Well, look at the size of that paper clip. You're going to get those out much easier than I am. Oh! Oh no!
It's not as easy as it looks.
Come on, bug friend.
You need a